Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can enable live captions in your Google Chrome. Live captions are an accessibility feature that automatically generates captions for any video or audio that you play in your Google Chrome. It also works in different other media as well and can be really helpful if you listen to a lot of podcasts, radio content, or even watch videos with a lot of audio in it. So, let's see how to enable live captions. First, let's open our Google Chrome, and as you can see that this is a video, and if I play it,
and is there any tweets about prop load beginning?
you can see that there is no caption which is appearing on this particular video. So let's try to enable the live captions. First, click on the three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen. Then hit the settings button. Once you are here, you need to click on the accessibility tab. In the accessibility tab, you can see the live caption toggle. Simply click on this toggle to turn it on. Here, my default language has already been downloaded, that is English. Although, in your case, it might download the files first. So, after your file is downloaded, you can just go back to the tab where you want to play the video and try checking it if it works or not. Let's play it.
I should probably just have SpaceX's like X feed just pinned in a tab here, so I can just.
Now, as you can see that the toggle is appearing and you can see all the captions without having to use the YouTube captions. So this is a great feature, especially if you are listening to a lot of audio with a lot of vocals in it. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.